Hello and welcome to the next Excel training course presented by Expand Your Skills. Today we're going to look at two functions and to try and understand the difference between them, namely find and search. I've set up here a small table, just 6 boxes, which will demonstrate the principal differences. So if we look at find first of all, and we begin typing, so always with the function equals and then find, a brief description appears next to it, stating returns the starting position of one text string with another text string. So once again, this is easier shown than read. And so if we just take 2 arguments, if we open up the brackets, the first argument is a text we wish to find, which will have, in this case, Azure. And the second argument is where we want to find it. So expand your skills. Close the brackets, press return, and it comes up with an answer of 8. And if we count from the beginning of expand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the word your starts on the 8th character along. Very straightforward, that's what it does. And if we do it with search here, exactly the same arguments, we want to find that text in the expand your skills, close brackets, it'll come up with 8 again. Where we see the difference, however, between the two functions is if we start trying to find your here with a lowercase y. So if we type find, again, the text in C3 in A1, it'll come up with an error message. And that is because the find function is case sensitive. So if we try it in using search, again looking in A1, it'll come up with the same answer of 8 because search doesn't care about the case of the letters. And then finally, this random looking thing is to include a wildcard. So if we wanted to find O?r in this text, once again it would come up with an error message. If we want to find search rather for the same text in the same cell, once again it'll come up, well actually this time it'll come up with number 9 because you've missed off the y. If we change this and put the y back, it'll change it to 8. So that's it, really straightforward, two very similar functions. But search has a little bit more flexibility in that it is not rather case sensitive and also allows the question mark to be used as a wildcard. So I really hope that was helpful. Very much short and to the point, which was my intention. Any questions, as always, drop us an email, make a comment below. Which of the functions you'll actually use will obviously depend very much on the circumstances at the time, but just remember that find is very rigid, will only find exactly what you type in, whereas search will enable you to use a wildcard and also is not case sensitive. Many thanks for listening, and we'll see you again soon.